Minneapolis 5G network set for 2017 completion. AT&T will be launching its 5G Evolution network across Minneapolis by the end of 2017, involving network upgrades in some areas of the city as well as distributed antenna system (DAS) upgrades at the city's stadium ahead of hosting the 2018 Super Bowl. The network upgrades involve the addition of 4G LTE-Advanced features including 4x4 multiple input multiple output, 4x4 MIMO, 3x carrier aggregation, and 256 Quadrature Amplitude Moderation, 256 cam. Between 2014-16, AT&T said it invested almost $350 million in its Minnesota wireless and wired networks, making 1,271 wireless network upgrades in 272 communities in the city throughout 2016. AT&T, which also rolled out an enterprise Internet of Things platform in September, has additionally installed small cells throughout Minneapolis and is planning to add more over the next few months. We've been working closely with the city of Minneapolis to ensure its network is ready to support the technology of the future. The investments we're making prepare us for the future of 5G and innovations like smarter cities and immersive entertainment experiences like augmented and virtual reality, AT&T said. Besides upgrading the network in and around downtown Minneapolis, we've overloaded the stadium with wireless capacity and boosted LTE capacity by more than 150% compared to last year. With more than 800 antennas, the network inside the stadium alone could provide coverage to the entire city of Minneapolis. According to AT&T, its 5G Evolution network will be compatible with the LG V30, Moto Z2 4th Edition, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Samsung Galaxy S8, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy S8 Active handsets, with more to be compatible in future. It is working with more than a dozen global tech companies on its deployments, with lab trials seeing speeds of 14 Gbps for its fixed wireless 5G technology. In August, it announced it would expand its 5G trials to 3 more cities by the end of 2017 in South Bend, Indiana, Waco, Texas, and Kalamazoo, Michigan. For those 3 trial networks, AT&T is using Ericsson's 28GHz radios, virtualized RAN, and full 5G virtualized core, Intel's 5G mobile trial platform, Samsung's 5G router, 5G RFIC chipset, virtualized core, and brand, and Nokia's 5G equipment and solutions. AT&T launched its 5G Evolution upgrade on its network in Austin, Texas in June, followed by Indianapolis, Indiana in July. According to AT&T, its small business and consumer trials in Austin have given it new insights into millimeter wave performance and propagation. In Austin, we see all types of weather and substantial foliage. Taking our fixed wireless 5G trials out of the lab and into the real world helps us learn important factors about wave and 5G, AT&T Wireless Network Architecture and Design Senior Vice President Marichal Knight said. These trials have seen speeds of up to 1 Gbps and latency of less than 10 milliseconds, AT&T said. The network will be rolled out to 20 metro areas by the end of 2017, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, Boston, Chicago, Atlanta, and Nashville. It is also aiming to deploy LTE license-assisted access, LTE-LA, and 4x carrier aggregation on its 4G network by the end of the year, through which it attains speeds of 750 megabits per second during a trial in San Francisco. AT&T is also using fixed wireless deployments to improve access to broadband across regional areas of the United States under a partnership with Netcom Wireless. Netcom Wireless, which also supplies fixed wireless equipment to Australia's National Broadband Network, NBN, is providing AT&T with outdoor wireless antennas enabling connectivity speeds of at least 10 megabits per second to underserved premises across 18 states. AT&T and Netcom Wireless have already deployed their first phase of fixed wireless throughout the states of Louisiana, Florida, Alabama, Georgia, Kentucky, Mississippi, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee. While AT&T's plans for 5G have seen it aggressively deploying equipment as well as investing in spectrum and technology, it was outbid in May by rival operator Verizon, which acquired Straight Path Communications and its portfolio of M-Wave spectrum licenses for $3.1 billion, almost double AT&T's original $1.6 billion bid. Verizon last month announced that it is accelerating its 5G new radio trials with a goal of launching its next-gen network by 2019. In June, Verizon told STNet that one of the key parts of 5G is interoperability, with the carrier working not only with Qualcomm and Ericsson, but also with Cisco, Samsung, Intel, LG, and Nokia to roll out its pre-commercial 5G trial networks across the U.S. Verizon Senior Solutions Architect Chris Painter confirmed to STNet that Verizon's remaining 10